Hi guys, I've got my new algebra activity here for you. It is a fourth grade algebra activity. Um, this one, surprise, uses dice. Um, this one is basically each student has a regular six-sided die with numbers on it. Pips would be fine too, but numbers make it a little easier. So you divide the students into pairs. One student, player one, rolls the first die. They get a number. Let's say in this case it's a 2, and they write it on the page. Player 2, the other player, rolls their die in secret. And they take that number and they make an algebraic equation for it. That number that they just rolled is x. So they could say 2x equals 6. Then player 1 needs to solve that problem. So in this case, they just divide each side by 2 and get x equals 3, which is what player 2 rolled. Then they can come up with any type of algebraic equation using that. They could use addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. They can use multiple actions. They could do 2 pluses and a minus just to even things out and make it a little more confusing. That may be for a little more advanced students. Then this player switch roles and do basically the same thing again a number of times, just as practice to get down the idea of the algebraic equations. This can be differentiated by making it a little more difficult by using dice with more sides, like a 12-sided die here. One player could roll that, then the other rolls their 12-sided die, secret, and you get a new algebraic equation that they can solve. So in this case, x equals 4. They could both use larger dice, or player 1 could roll 2 dice, and then player 2 needs to incorporate, in this case, both a 6 and a 3 into the equation they make. To simplify this, you may want to print out some sentence frames, number sentence frames, showing possible ways to combine the numbers. Could have blank x equals blank, or x plus blank equals blank, or blank equals blank minus x. There's an infinity of, well, maybe not an infinity, but there are a lot of options that can be used to show the students there are many possibilities. They can just plug their numbers into one of these if they need a little help, but otherwise these are just jumping boards to move on to their own. All right, thank you.